I train my mind with numbers tight, subtracting doubt, adding might. Each small loss a decimal drop, each win compounds, it never stops. Carve wood in measured time. Patience grows in pencil marks. Negotiation's finest art. The piano's keys are my battleground. Scales like contracts, discipline bound. Every note a calculated move. Harmony proves what focus proves. Meditation, silent drifts, counting breaths like dividends. Mindset sharp as Wall Street charts. Start. Iron bends beneath my will. Sweat negotiates the drill. Pain's just interest that I pay for strength that never fades away. Money flows now, steady. Debts get smaller, dreams get seen. Enough to save and some to play. Worlds are dying, it comes my way. Chessboard mornings war in white. Pawns advance with practiced sight. Checkmate's just a deal that's closed. Strategy's the language spoke. Mirror speeches, words like steel. Persuasion's edge, I hone it real. No cheap tricks, just crafted speech. Power talks when practice speaks. The auctions roar, my bids precise. Not low, not high, the perfect price. Abundance isn't luck, you see. It's daily drills plus strategy. If lost, just track the paper trail.